B. Reading comprehension. Read the following passage and choose the correct answer. Some people say they have no memory at all, but of course we all have a memory. Our memory tells us who we are and helps us to make use in the present of what we have learned in the past. In fact, we have different types of memory. Our visual memory helps us to recall faces and places. Some people have a strong visual memory. They can remember exactly what they have seen. For example, pages of books is a complete picture of visual memory. With our emotional memory, we can recall situations or places where we had strong feelings of happiness or unhappiness. We also have special memories for smell, taste, touch, and sound, and for performing physical movements. We have two ways of storing our memories: our short-term memory, which can store items and put up to half a minute. Our long-term memory may store items for a lifetime. Older people, in fact, have a much better long-term memory than short-term memory. They may forget what they have done only a few hours ago, but they have the clearest remembrance of when they were very young. You might assume that the more we remember, the better is, but in fact, forgetting is as important as remembering. If you remember all our unhappy times, we would become mentally ill. Choose the correct answers from A, B, C, or D. 1. Our memory is useful because A, doesn't tell us the bad things that happened. B, tells us the happy things. Only C, makes use of what we have learnt in the past. D, all of the previous two. Older people have A, a better short-time memory than long-term. B, a better long-term memory than short-term. C, a long-term memory as good as a short-term. D, nothing to remember. 3. Forgetting unhappy times shows that a forgetting is as important as remembering. B, the unhappy times are easy to forget. C, happy times are easy to remember. D, remembering all things is a kind of illness. 4. The word assume means A, deny the fact, B, disagree with, C, don't believe, D, accept as true. 5. Our short-time memory stores items for up to A, 60 seconds, B, 15 seconds, C, 40 seconds, D, 30 seconds. 6. The memory which helps us recall both faces and places is called A, visual, B, verbal, C, short-term, D, long-term. 7. The best title of the passage is A, the visual and verbal memory, B, short-term and long-term memory, C, man's memory, D, the woman's memory. 8. The synonym of the word recall is A, forget, B, bring to mind, C, cut out, D, put off.